For you tonight. And the next one is another brand new arrangement, all right? It's called Where the Streets Have No Name. So it's another U2 song, who of course are from Ireland. And I've always loved their chord progressions, especially how they jump between minor and major phrases. So this song, though, has a bit of a new chord for you, possibly. It's called B minor. So to play that chord, you have to bar all three of the A, E, and C strings on the 2nd fret. Now, if you have a low G ukulele, it's a lot better if you use your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the G string. But if you don't have a linear tuning ukulele, it's okay to just keep that G open, all right? It doesn't make as big of a difference as it does if you have a low-stringed ukulele. So B minor is in this song, but it's really important that we catch that B minor because it really drives us down into that strong A chord. Now, if you've heard it, the original one's got some pretty fancy moves by the edge, you know. That's the one I'm trying to work on. But anyway, we're going to play a lot more simple of a version. We're just going to island strum this thing, all right? But it does say try suspended D chords. So that means anytime you're playing your island strum on D, you might want to, just like we did in Jumpin' Jack Flash, by making your 3rd finger go up to the 3rd fret and back to the 2nd fret. You might even try a G suspended chord. You might even try a C suspended chord. You might even try a mandolin chord. There's a lot of fun with this song because a lot of the variations I've showed you can apply to it pretty easy, all right? So all we have to do for the synth intro and the guitar intro is play each chord name 2 times on an island strum. Then G 2 times. Then B minor 2 times. A 2 times, all right? So this is the part of the beginning of the song, and I'm going to start going in on that island strum, and I'm going to sing along to what the synth melody sounds like. It's going to sound cheesy, but I think it'll help you get a taste of how the song runs if you haven't heard it before. The video for the song is really cool. In the video, they go up on top of a hotel in Los Angeles, and I'm not sure if it was real or not, but they were trying to redo what the Beatles did and attract a crowd. It's a pretty neat video. Anyway, this is Where the Streets Have No Name by U2, which is another one of my favorite songs from an Irish artist. So it starts in G. And I'll count you in. And 1, and 2, 1, 2. Intro goes like this. Da, 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 da. Touch a flame where the streets have no name. Oh, I want to feel sunlight on my face. I see the dust cloud disappear without a trace. I want to take shelter from the poison rain. Have no name. streets have no name, where the streets have no name, we'll still building, burning down love, burning down love. And when I go there with you. It's all I can do. Two, three, the city's a flood, and our love turns to rust. Beaten and blown by the wind, trampled in dust. I'll show you a place high on a desert plain, where the streets have no name. Oh, where the streets have no name, where the streets have no name, we're still building and burning down love, burning down love. And when I go there with you, it's all I can do. And a two, and a three. Oh, 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 oh. Our love turns to rust. We're beaten and blown by the wind, blown by the wind. And I see our love turn to rust. We're beaten and blown by the wind, blown by the wind. And when I go there with you. It's all I can do. The outro. Da, 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 da. So that is the awesome Where the Streets Have No Name. Without drums, you can only do so much with it, but once you get the hang of those island strum changes in the vocals, it's a lot of fun to play. That whole ending section